Thinking about going keto? Or maybe you're already weeks in, but your energy is crashing, your weight loss has stalled, or you feel just off. You're not alone. Today we're breaking down the most common keto mistakes people make, and more importantly, how to fix them. Whether you're new or experienced, avoiding these pitfalls can make the difference between progress and burnout. Let's get into it. Section 1. Mistake number 1, eating too much fat. The number one mistake people make on keto? Thinking more fat always means more fat loss. Yes, keto is high fat, but it's not unlimited fat. If you're drinking bulletproof coffee 3 times a day, eating bacon by the pound, and drenching everything in butter, you might be overdoing it. Fat is energy dense. If you're eating more calories than your body needs, you won't lose weight, even if you're in ketosis. Fix. Prioritize healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, but still be mindful of portions. Track your macros until you get the hang of it. Section 2. Mistake number 2, not eating enough electrolytes. Ever heard of the keto flu? Fatigue, headaches, dizziness. This is often just an electrolyte imbalance. When you start keto, your insulin levels drop, which causes your body to flush out water, and with it, sodium, magnesium, and potassium. Fix. Don't be afraid of salt on keto. Add sea salt to meals. Consider an electrolyte supplement, or get your magnesium from spinach and avocado, and potassium from leafy greens. Bonus tip. Bone broth, pickles, and Himalayan salt are your best friends in the first week. Section 3. Mistake number 3, too much protein or too little. Here's a tricky one. Some people go overboard on protein and kick themselves out of ketosis. Others avoid it and lose muscle mass. Too much protein can trigger gluconeogenesis, where your body converts protein into glucose. But too little protein, and you'll feel weak, sluggish, and slow to recover. Fix. Stick to moderate protein, around 0.6 to 1 gram per pound of lean body mass. Focus on clean sources: eggs, grass-fed meat, poultry, and fatty fish like salmon. Section 4. Mistake number 4, obsessing over the ketone strips. Those little urine strips? They're not the gold standard. Many people get discouraged when they stop turning the strip dark purple. But guess what? That could actually mean your body is getting better at using ketones, not worse. Fix. Focus on how you feel. Are your cravings gone? Is your energy stable? Are you losing fat and preserving muscle? That's real progress. You don't need to chase a number on a strip. Section 5. Mistake number 5, not eating enough veggies. Yes, keto is low carb, not no carb. Some people go all in on meat and cheese and forget about fiber. But fiber keeps your gut happy, your digestion regular, and your hormones balanced. Fix. Add low-carb, high-fiber veggies like zucchini, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, arugula, and kale. These are keto-friendly and nutrient-dense. Pro tip: aim for 20-30 g of fiber a day, even on keto. Section 6. Mistake number 6, eating too many keto products. Just because it says keto on the label doesn't mean it's healthy. Many keto snacks and bars are full of artificial sweeteners, seed oils, and sugar alcohols that can spike insulin, cause bloating, or stall your progress. Fix. Stick to whole foods 80 to 90% of the time. If you want a snack, try macadamia nuts, olives, boiled eggs, or full-fat Greek yogurt. And read the ingredients, not just the carb count. Section 7. Mistake number 7, lack of sleep and stress. You could be eating perfectly and still not losing weight if you're sleeping 4 hours a night and stressed 24/7. Why? Because poor sleep and high stress equals high cortisol, which can spike blood sugar and stall fat loss, even on keto. Fix. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Create a calming night routine. And try meditation, walking, or journaling to reduce stress. Keto isn't just about food, it's about the whole lifestyle. Section 8. Bonus mistake: not having a long-term plan. Keto can be powerful, but it's not meant to be a crash diet. If you don't have a plan for the long term, you might fall into yo-yo dieting, regain the weight, and mess up your metabolism. Fix. Treat keto as a tool, not a quick fix. Use it to reset your body, improve your relationship with food, and then transition to something sustainable, like low-carb or cyclical keto. Know your why, and don't just chase the scale. Keto works, but only if you work with your body, not against it. Avoid these common mistakes, stay consistent, and keto can change your energy, your health, and your life. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more Real Talk Nutrition, and drop your keto struggles in the comments.